In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to turn off Jotform email notifications. If you're finding your inbox cluttered with notifications from Jotform every time a form is submitted, this guide will help you streamline your email management. Let's dive in and take control of those notifications. First, you'll want to start by heading over to jotform.com. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply clicking through if you have it bookmarked. Once there, log into your Jotform account. This is an essential step because you need to access your account settings to make these changes. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Here, you should click on the option labeled All. This will take you to a dashboard that gives you an overview of your forms, submissions, and other relevant account details. Next, navigate towards the settings. Look for the settings option in the menu, which is usually located towards the bottom. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can adjust various account settings, including notifications. Now, you'll notice another settings option within this page. This can be a little confusing, but don't worry, it's just part of the process. Click on this second settings option to proceed. It's here that we'll find the controls we need to adjust your email notifications. On this settings page, you should see a section dedicated to notifications and alerts. This is where Jotform gives you the power to decide how and when you receive emails from them. Look for the option that says turn off all Jotform emails. There should be a checkbox next to this option. By checking this box, you're opting out of receiving email notifications for form submissions and other updates from Jotform. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off all Jotform email notifications. This simple change can help keep your inbox clean and ensure that you only receive the emails that are most important to you. If at any point you decide you want to start receiving notifications again, you can simply follow these steps and uncheck the box. Remember, managing your notifications is a great way to maintain control over your digital life, preventing overwhelm and helping you stay organized. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out other tutorials on managing Jotform settings. Thanks for watching and happy form managing.